Coming soon, the ultimate dream garage. Get ready for a fully outfitted 22 by 40 powered workshop that's every gearhead's dream come true. This garage has 2 entrances and is packed with features that make it perfect for auto repair, home maintenance, or any mechanical hobby you can imagine. Highlights include 8,500 pound car lift, ceiling mounted 300 pound hoist, wall mounted AC unit and utility vacuum, 60 amp electrical panel with 4 dedicated zones, multiple workbenches and shelves for maximum organization. Whether you're a pro or just love tinkering, this space is turnkey ready for your next project. This incredible setup will be hitting the market soon. Got questions or want an early details? Reach out to the D&L Butts team today. We'd love to chat before this gem goes live.